Hi guys, in this video we will see an exercise on QlikView. The objective of this particular exercise is how to merge and represent two tables in QlikView. So first of all, I'll go to this particular edit script window and press Ctrl plus E, or I'll directly go to this particular file menu, go to this particular edit script. So now over here I have loaded the data from this particular data from the file, that is from table file. I have loaded two Excel sheets, Excel file. So from over here you can see that this is the load. Press enter. So this is nothing but the office sales data, office city sales data, and the table which is selected is office city sales, and another data from this particular load is nothing but coffee chain sales data from the table named as coffee chain sales. So I'll click on OK. I'll click on reload. The moment I'll click on reload, it is going to say that both the tables which is having 18, 18 lines are being fetched in this particular main sheet or QlikView document. So if I want to represent this particular two tables, office city sales and coffee chain sales, so I can represent it by using multi-box, or I can represent it in the form of table box. So I'll represent it in the form of multi-box. Whatever things will be common, that will be shown by a key. So let us see. Right click in this particular main document or main sheet of QlikView. Go to the new sheet object. Go to the multi-box option. So the key is being shown over here. It is meant that the state column is common in both the cases. The state field name or the column heading is common in both the cases. So I'll give the heading as so I have given a title, simple title as merge two tables dash sales data. So I'll give the name simple. So I'll add all this content. So here it is going to ask me that from where you have to add coffee chain sales, office city sales. So I'll select it as all tables. So if I want to make it in the form of count order, or in the form of load order, or in the form of text order, so I'll keep it as it is in the form of text order, that is from A to Z. So from starting from C and ending with T. I'll click on apply and OK. So this is a multi-box which is being created over here. The moment I will click on this coffee sales, it is going to show me the sales in the assembly low to high. If you want to click over here, you can click it over here. The same thing is going to be shown in the multiple. Now you can go over here on the state and you can see that there are different types of states. So some of the states will be there in case of office city sales, and some of the states will be there in coffee chain sales table. So this is being common, so it is being provided with a key. So same is going to be shown. So it is represented by means of this particular state code. You can see that the state code will be going on expansion. So therefore state code will be low. The territory. So over here in the office city sales, it is mentioned as region, and here in the coffee chain sales, I guess it is mentioned as territory. So both the tables are merged, and it is going to be represented in the multi-box manner. So sales you can see over here, office sales, ascending manner. Similarly, you can see over here one day. So I hope you have understood how to merge two tables and represent it in the form of tables in the multi-box table box. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.